Now, in the previous video, I talked about that how you are going to find the keywords, how you are going to find the keywords for two, four, or five different positions that you are open for, and after finding the keywords, you are going to craft a resume. Now, for example, you had found 8 to 10 different keywords for this position of copywriter, like digital product copywriter, and that is position 8, a remote position area. So what you are going to do, then you are going to open your resume like this. First of all, the name of your resume should be the either your main keyword. For example, your full name like Mohammad Ishtiaq Khan Desh copywriter or Desh copywriting expert, or Desh the name of the position like digital product Desh digital product copywriter. So the name of the CV document should be like this: your full name along with the position you are applying for, like you're applying for a digital product copywriter, so its name should be digital product copywriter, or it can be your skill set like Mohammad Ishtiaq Khan Desh copywriting expert. So after your name you need to write a full name here. You need to create your CV in a Word document. Do not use any type of graphically designed templates or anything graphs, and they do not work with the ATS system. ATS system is going to directly reject your. And then you need to use an email, professional email, and then you need to use cell number. That probably should be a WhatsApp number, and that need to be with the country code also. And you need to add a link to your LinkedIn profile, because I told you you need to optimize your LinkedIn profile and add a link here. And then you need to use add your location. And then if you are working remotely, then you can also use location like United States of America. Like for example, you are already been recruited by a company, and you are working remotely, then you can city New York, USA. In brackets you can write remote. So this means you are working remotely, you are present there. This is a really great way. And then you need to write an executive summary, and you need to stuff all those keywords here with the tools and different techniques that you are using. And you need to start with your experience, the value you had added, your achievements, and then add the keywords and different that you worked on, different type of skills that you have, and different type of projects that you work. And you need to add anywhere you need numbers. For example, you completed 10 100 different projects going to, by your clients. You wrote, as a content writer, you wrote 100 blogs, and it were published on Google, or any other news website, or any other place. So you need to write such type of achievements here, and this executive summary need to be up to like 6 lines or 7 lines, or it needs to be short, 2 paragraphs. And then you need to add a link to your portfolio. Now, this link to your portfolio can be a link to the Behance profile, and it can be a link to a Google Drive, but more specifically, I like the Behance one. And what you are going to do is that, for example, you are a digital marketeer and you had achieved different results for your clients. You can add snapshots here with such type of text, and you can post it in Behance. And because Behance GUI is really good as compared to Google Drive, because uh, that is not a really good way to represent that. So you can do that in the Behance. It's free, and then post a link here. Then you this is more than enough. And if you are going to do and stuff all the keywords organically with the achievements, with the results, with the different tools you are using, and those keywords that are demanded, required by that specific position designation, then you can stuff all those keywords, and then you are going to be shortlisted directly, because recruiters are not going to read the more. But for the ATS and for the recruiters, you are going to add more into it. Then you are going to add key profile highlights, and that need to be your achievements, whatever you achieved during your journey, like youngest and led business operation, and you need to add all numbers into it, and all different things in. And then certified digital trainer, and you can see here I added numbers, achievements, and increase and action verbs successfully implemented. You do not need to add responsibilities, but add achievements in those responsibilities. whatever you achieved in those responsibilities. And you need to add the work experience. And first of all, you need to add your recent work experience, and you need to aid, like all of your work experience need to be aided, but the most important one is the relevant work experience. For example, you are working in the, like you're applying for the manager digital marketing position. You need to and your last job is also related to that position. You need to aid that position, the details of that previous experience, um, and add all the achievements and action based verbs and all the achievements, the different projects you had worked, and you need to add numbers into achievements into it. You need to add figures into it, and do not add any graphs and anything like that. And you need to design it in this way with the different bullet points, and starting with the action verb, like and you just can add responsibilities in one line and all the achievements in those responsibilities in the bullet points, and you add a detail related to that. Now, your previous experiences before the one you are currently working on, uh, they can be, and if they are relevant, then you can just add something short related to that. But these are everything, whatever you are adding in your CV in each of your experience, that need to be targeting your target position, not irrelevant things. For example, you are applying for the manager digital marketing position, then adding a position related to data analysis is not going to work for you. But you had design campaigns, run different marketing campaigns, they are going to work for it, like work for you. So you need to add all the previous experiences, but they not need to be very detailed, but all the details, like however, in 2 to 3 sentences or 2 to 5 sentences, like whatever you want to add into any of the experience, it need to be targeting your target job. And then after that, you can add education, because if your experience doesn't matter a lot, and just you can add the type of the different degrees that you achieved and when you achieved it, and some university name, like not more than. And you do not need to, if you have MS and PhD and bachelor, then you do not need to add O level or A level or anything like that. Just two degrees, or maximum 3 degrees. If you have PhD also, you can add. Otherwise, you do not need to of your matriculation or O level, A level, any other thing. You need to add trainings and certification and courses relevant to your target position, not irrelevant anything. If you don't have any relevant certification, do not aid. Just utilize this space for the relevant thing. And everywhere you need to stuff all those keywords, you need to organically use all those keywords, and your resume need to be up to 2 pages, not more than that. And you need to add a charm to your resume using numbers, using achievements. So that's all for the resume, and how you're going to design this resume. And like I told you, select 4 to 5 different positions or 3 to 5 different positions, and then create, and then search for the JDs of that specific position or titles you want to work for. And after searching for the titles, and you need to go for the job descriptions and find the keywords, and then create 3 to 5 different resumes for different job positions. Now, whenever a job position relevant to your resume or relevant to your skill set appears, you will have a ready-made CV like this. You will just skim through the JD, and you will add or minus something like you want if it is needed. And after doing that, you are just going to send your CV like this one, and you are going to apply for this position. You need to click on this apply, and after clicking on this apply, you are going to be, and just you need to submit your resume. And I highly recommend, if you need to optimize your profile and also share your profile with them like this one, you need to open this one, and you need to share your profile also with people, like with the recruiters. So in the next video, I'm going to share with you how you are going to beat the ATS system. Now it is whatever like now, whatever we discussed, you are going to apply here. You are going to become part of the 1,000 and 10,000 resume slot, and they will be filtered by the ATS system. And then ATS system is giving you a chance either you become part of the selected or rejected if you are filled the keywords. But you are going to do one strategy in order to become part of the shortlisted without very minimal effort. But one thing you need to remember: CV optimization and resume LinkedIn optimization is must for everyone. Either you are going to use this process or the second strategy, like I'm going to share in the next video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.